Hello, I received your question about problems on page 683 and 684. I'll start with the one on 683. You're asked to solve this equation. I'm guessing the difficulty comes in with the fractions. There's different ways you might handle this problem, but I think the best way is to go ahead and clear out the fraction, the part that's giving you difficulty. Denominator of each fraction is 5. Well, if you multiply both sides of the equation by 5, that would clear out the fraction. And so if I multiply 5 times each side of this equation, I'll fill the other part in green. That will eliminate the fractions here. The denominator here is both of them is 5. Anytime you multiply a number times its reciprocal, 5 times a fifth, that's going to give you 1. And so here you got to distribute this 5. You got to multiply each item into parentheses by 5. And so this will be 5 times, it's going to be a fifth of a plus 5 times 8. So if I switch, this will be a fifth a. This will be 8. And so if I multiply 5 times a fifth, that's just going to be 1. The 5 is over 1 times a fifth. 5 times a fifth is like 5 over 5 or 1. This here's 5 over 1, so you multiply numerators and denominators, that gives you 1. So let's see, that would just be left with 1a, or just a here, plus 40. If we do the same thing here, the 5's going to go minus 3 times a minus 15. Here you need to distribute the negative 3, and so negative 3 times a be minus 3a, and minus 3 times a minus 15 be plus 45. Okay, so what did I do here? I had two fractions here, and I multiplied both sides by 5, and that cleared out the fractions. And then if you look at this equation, maybe you know how to complete it. You need to get your variables on one side and your numbers on the other. What I like to do here is to say add 3a to each side. And subtract 40. And I'll erase this part down here so we have a little more space. Let's see. So a plus 3a will be 4a, and that's 0. That's 0. This would be 5. Divide each side by 4, and that's the answer. 5/4. Okay. I'll work this other question on a separate video. Hope this helps. Bye.